Here's where you can go on your OnePlus Watch 2 to enable or disable app notifications. So let's go ahead and get started. While viewing the clock face of your OnePlus Watch 2, you'll simply swipe from the very top until you see this quick panel axis. You're looking for this toggle right here, the settings toggle. As you tap on that here now, you'll want to go down until you see the part that says apps and notifications, okay? When you tap on that one time here, you're gonna see these options. Go to where it says notifications. And as you enter into it here, you'll see show all. Basically, going to show all here will give you all the apps that's found on your OnePlus Watch itself, and then you can go into them and enable each one of them. Okay, so maybe you want to enable it for this one here, the daily activity notifications. Go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so when you do that, that's going to enable it for you. Now you will need to be connected to your phone for some of these apps in order to actually activate the notifications, especially when connected with the phone plus the app that you should be connected to. Okay, now other than that, here you will go to where it says show disabled for any of those that you might have disabled before, and now you want to go back and re-enable them. Okay, so maybe you go here now and you go ahead and decide to turn that on. It's going to turn on for you. And again, if it doesn't turn on, it's because you need to be connected to your phone with the app at the moment so that everything can be in sync. Okay, but that's where you would go to do that. Like and sub.